Welcome to How to Solve.
Hello, it's me again. How to fix TikTok page not available error. First thing that you're going to do is open your TikTok account. So some of the common errors when this happens to you is that sometimes your connection or sometimes if you are connected to a VPN. Now let's go to your profile, tap on the three bar lines in the upper right portion and then click on content preferences and turn off restricted mode. So you turn it off all. Check everything that you need to check, toggle it down, that everything that you need to toggle it down. So here I checked everything and I make sure that I did not miss any information in this part. And yes, it's already done. Now let's go to another settings that you're going to do on your phone. Close all the tabs that are currently open on your mobile phone. And then you can switch on the Wi-Fi and your mobile data connection and vice versa because sometimes they may also cause delay and error to your phone. Another is you are going to tap on the settings icon of your phone. So here you are going to find the TikTok application. Just go on the app settings and try to clear cache, force to stop, and everything. Another tip is that you're going to check the application in your Play Store if it is already updated. Check on it. And the last option would be you're going to turn off your phone and turn it on again to check or to refresh your phone. And that's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.